I'm Carden Olson. I was a psychology major at Augsburg, and as I studied abroad, I studied with Danish Institute for Study Abroad in the summer of 2019, and I received the Gilman Scholarship and the FEA Scholarship. So I'm just going to go over some general tips for addressing the scholarship side of studying abroad. Um, my first tip is to just do it. Apply for scholarships, even if you don't think you'll get them, even if you don't think that you'll need them. Just do it. That comes from personal experience. I went in kind of intimidated by these big scholarships, and but I went for it, and I got both of them that I applied for, and additional actually. Um, so do it. You could do it. My second tip is to start early. So starting this early in terms of, kind of considering what you might want to touch on in scholarship essays, because a lot of the time the prompts are very broad and take a lot of time to kind of, get through and elaborate in a manner that is like genuine and will really kind of get your voice across. And it's just really important to consider all the times that you're in school while doing these essays, and that's in addition to all the academic essays that you're already doing. So it's just really important to kind of plan ahead as best as you can. Um, and then while you're doing the writing process, it is really important to, for my third tip, to just focus on what stands out for you in terms of studying abroad. So scholarship committees really want to hear your unique story. So what what is it special for you to study abroad? What can you contribute to Augsburg or surrounding communities, or how can it contribute to your career development by studying abroad, and how can these organizations give this money to you, or why should they give the money to you to help you? And I think it's also really important to realize that you might not know everything that you can contribute to studying abroad. And so something that I did was ask loved ones or professors, or even Andrea. I went to Andrea a lot to kind of think of ideas of what what can I write about, and get feedback from people that also know you in other ways, because that can really jumpstart kind of ideas of how this can contribute and what you can write about, and make it more genuine. And yeah, so.
I really appreciate hearing your tips, Carden. These are so important. And I think, just taking the plunge to actually do it is such a big one. And starting early, yes, so important to really writing a quality essay, giving yourself the time and space to do that. And then, yes, talking about why you're special, what's your story, and why should you be awarded, I think. I mean, these are great, great points.